Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple cow farm. The build is only a 3x3x6 area. To get started, place your chest, hopper looking into the chest, trapdoor on top of it, build in your walls, build the wall up once more, leaving out these 2 blocks, place in 2 observers facing towards the front, place a button, place an upward slab here, a dispenser here, raise the wall up again on all these blocks, leave this block, place a redstone dust, that's so when you press this button it will dispense the lava, and retract the lava, raise the wall up again, leaving the gap in the middle, place an upward trapdoor and open it, place the dispenser here, raise the wall up again, and raise the wall up one more time. Place a button here, your oak fence in the middle, place a water bucket inside this dispenser, and then come around the back and place a lava bucket into this dispenser. Now it's up to you if you want to see the cows or not, just break out these 3 blocks, place in glass. Now just lure some cows up to the top. For this demonstration I'll just be spawning them in. Then whenever you want to breed them, just press this button. It will make the cows bob up and down. You start breeding them. And then once you're finished breeding, click the button again. The baby cows will fall in at the bottom. And then once the baby cows grow up, you can kill them with lava. And their cooked beef and leather will end up in this chest. You can also add a ladder to the right side for easier access to get up to the top of your cow farm. Once you see that the cows have grown, you can click this button. That will set the cows on fire. They will then die, dropping their leather and steak into the chest. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it will help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.